Hi, Rob.Kavanaugh here with Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City. I'd like to introduce you to this 2019 Navion 24G. These motorhomes are extremely popular. They run on a Mercedes 3-liter diesel engine. They're beautiful, full body paint. This one has low miles. Let's go have a look inside. So basically this motorhome is like new. It's got really low miles. You can see from on the front here, there's no wear and tear. You've got a really nice, comfortable cab over. Very unique here as we back up a little bit. It's got a sunroof that actually opens up so you get a lot of fresh air and a lot of natural light. On these Navions, a lot of high-end features. You got a real nice dinette here. Super comfortable upholstery, very easy to clean. It breaks down into a bed. The seats here in the driver and passenger compartments, they actually rotate back, so that's part of the living room experience. As we move back here, you've got a nice built-in 32-inch RCA television, and then it's above a sink. 2 sinks, stainless steel. You got gas burners. You've got a convection oven here. Very nice. Above the dinette, lots of cabinet space. And as you can see, it's very stylish, very fancy. These Navions are very nice. You can see in the bathroom here, it's an integrated toilet and shower and sink with a nice big mirror and lots of bright light. All of this in a small 24-foot package, but you got a slide out here by the dinette, which adds a lot of living room space here. And then in the back, which is a real nice feature, you've got a slide out in the back for the queen bed. So what is a 24-foot RV really turns into a 27-foot RV when you do the slide out. So real nice. This is probably a good 3-foot slide out here, which will actually come in to make it a nice compact motorhome when you're driving. But then when you park, you slide this out. It gives you an extra 3 feet. So lots of space here. You got these little cabinets or little placeholders here for books and everything. You've got a 24-inch TV up against the wall here. Real nice. You got nice windows, light and bright, LED lighting up on top. Nice little package. You got the refrigerator here. It's a standard RV refrigerator. Nice freezer, refrigerator, lots of cabinet space in the galley area. This is a real nice RV. So again, I'm Rob.Kavanaugh. Come on out to Guarantee RV. Come have a look at this RV or any other RV and ask for me, Rob.Kavanaugh.